Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for printing pattern of star of hollow rectangle. Okay, so for doing this program, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. If you have this application, then you open it and write code and practice with me so that you can learn this topic in one go only. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you have you practice with me. When I'm writing a code on my system, then you also write the code on your system also. Okay, this is the way you can learn this topic. Okay, if you have this, then you open it, and if you have not, then you open online Java compiler and write code there. Okay, so now I'm going to write here. First, I'm going to write file name. I'm giving file name hollow rectangle pattern star pattern dot java. What is this? I need to remove this. Okay, and I need to write here public class rectangle star pattern star pattern dot star pattern and then curly braces. Okay, and this is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, now I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, because you have to take user input, that's why I have written this scanner class so that we can take user input. Now I'm going to write psvm so that we can run this code. Okay, because you have to run this code, this is the mandatory things we have to write before write any execution, any logics and any problem code of any problem. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, now I'm going to explain first what is the problem, and then I will write logic for that. Okay, so if user is entering input row is 4 I. Okay, and input column is 6. Okay, then follow rectangle of star is what? 2 3 4 5 6, and then 1, and then I need to print this in 2 row also. Control V, and then I need to print here, and here I need to print star. Control C. Okay, this should be the our result. Okay, so now I'm going to write logic for this. So I need to write first what object for the scanner class so that we can take user input. So I need to write here scanner scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in, and then I need to write here shout enter enter number of rows system. Okay, and then number of enter number of rows for the hollow rectangle, and then I need to write this. I need to take that row with the variable n. So I need to write a sc dot close, and then I'm going to write what, enter number of column for the hollow rectangle. Okay, and then I need to store int n is equals to st dot next. What is this, bro? Sc is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and then I need to write here int m is equals to sc dot next int, and then I'm writing again a message to show the result text. So I need to write here hollow rectangle pattern star pattern is, and then I need to print. I need to sorry, I need to write for loop to control the number of rows. So I need to write for int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus, and then I'm going to write again a inner loop so that I can control the number of column. Okay, for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to m, and j plus plus, and then I need to write here a condition which will control the printing of star. Okay, so I need to write the condition. What is the condition should be? Condition should be if we are in the first row or last row or first column, okay, in this column and in last column, okay, then in this case only we have to print a star, otherwise we have to print a space. So that I need to write the condition if I is equal to 1, or j is equal to 1, or I equal to n, or j equal to m. In that case only we have to print a star with one space, otherwise we don't have to print star, we have to print space. So I need to write here two space I am printing because I have printed already one star here, so that I need to print here two stars so that alignment can do. Okay, and then I am going to write a message so that shout I am going to write this is the system.out.println. This will move cursor after printing star or space in current row, it will move cursor in the next row. Okay, and then I need to write here sc dot close so that we can avoid memory leak. Okay, now I'm going to run it. After that I will write comment. Okay, then you will able to understand the each things. Okay, now I need to run it here. it is asking to enter number of rows. I am entering 4. It is saying number of column. I am entering number of column, and then you can see this is the hollow rectangle star pattern. Okay, here should be 1a is missing now here. Okay, now I'm going to write here pattern, so I need to a. Okay, now I'm going to run it again. It is asking to enter number of rows. Now I'm getting 5, and I'm giving number of column 8. So you can see this is the number of column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and number of row is 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here I have printed 2, so it should be okay like this. Okay, now I'm going to write comment. After that I will execute it once, and then I will close it. Okay, so I need to write here why I'm taking a scanner class, because we have to take user input. We have to take user input. Okay, and this is file name there. Our code is going to save. Okay, and what is this? This is the main method. From here from here our code is going to execute. Okay, and this is the object creation of scanner class. Okay, and this is the message to print number of number of rows. Message to not print message to enter. Message for user. It is a message to ask user to enter number of rows, and it is for number of column. It is for what? Number of row column. Okay, these two lines is message for user to ask number of rows and column, and this is in variable n. We are storing number of rows. Okay, and in variable m we are storing number of column. So I need to write in variable m we are storing number of column. Okay, and it is the what? Message also to show result text. Okay, and this is the outer loop which controls number of rows in the hollow rectangle. Okay, and this is the inner loop to control number of column in the hollow rectangle. And this is the what? Condition to print star only in border. only on only on border line of hollow rectangle. You can see line on hollow rectangle, border line of hollow rectangle. And this is the what? Painting star with base. And what is this? This is what? Else part. In else part, I have to write if border is not there, we have to print empty, and that's why I am printing here two space printing, so that alignment alignment can be not and can be maintained. Okay, and then I am printing here one one line printing. So can cursor move in next row after printing star and space in current row. Okay, and this is the what? Closing of a scanner class object. A scanner class object, so so that we can we can avoid memory name leak. Okay, so that we can avoid memory leak. Okay, and this is the main logics we have to keep in mind while writing this code, because you can see, okay, it is only in first row, star is printing only in first row and in last row and in first column or last column, and remaining space is empty. Okay, this is the main things you have to notice. Okay, and this is my kindly request to you all, you do dry run so that you can build a logic for problem like this. Okay, so now I'm going to run it once and then I will close these things. Okay, it is coming, don't worry. Yeah, now it is saying to enter number of like rows. I'm entering number of rows 6, number of column I'm again entering 6. Then you can see this is the hollow rectangle star pattern. The in column, how many star is there? 3 and 3, 6. In rows you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 rows is there. Okay, and 6 column was there. Now I'm going to close it. Have a nice day, and just be with me. I will provide here only each things about DSA in Java, whether it's basic problem, advanced problem, basic question, advanced question, whether that problem asked in interview examination, college examination, or FANG or MANG, anywhere. I will definitely make video for each things here only in Java DSA. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. And till then you have to do practice, do dry run. Have a nice day.